All right, y'all, check it out. We got the new SC Project exhaust, the full system for the mt-03, and I'm gonna install it. Now both of these bikes are gonna have upgraded exhausts. Almost forgot the tools. So this is the system that we had on before. It basically was just a muffler delete, and then I put this tip on to the end of the cat, and the cat I drilled a couple of holes in, which made it a little better, but honestly this thing sounds really bad. So here's what the stock system sounds like with the muffler delete and just the cat. So we get a couple burbles on the startup, but after the initial few revs, it doesn't really do any of those pops anymore. Hopefully this will change that. There's also no instructions in this kit, unless I'm missing something here. So I'm gonna have to do this all myself, which is because we're just gonna have to figure it out as we go. We got this first piece off. This actually might be a little easier than I thought it was gonna be. We're just gonna have to take this system off and then put the new one in, put that piece back on. It should be pretty easy. I have to do this late at night because we're not allowed to work on anything out here in the parking lot, but it's nighttime, so the workers can't tell me no because they're not working. Oh my gosh, this thing is massive. As you can see in here, this is what the new pipe looks. When you take it off, it's gonna look like this. You just stick the new one on, thread these bolts on, tighten them down, and you're pretty much good to go. Next we got this piece. All right, so I've ran into a hiccup here. There's kind of two actually. The first thing is that I don't know how I'm supposed to attach this piece with that piece here, because the spring that they give us, it's kind of hard for me to do this with my hand, but the spring here is too short for me to just be able to reach on both of them and just pull it. So when in doubt, zip ties. All right, so I don't really have any idea if this is actually mounted correctly at all, but we're gonna turn it on and see how it sounds anyways. Okay, so that's a lot. So this is what the completed system looks like. Got this thing here. It's almost not noticeable, these zip ties. It's a little easier to miss them in the dark, but hopefully they don't melt. I'm really praying that those do not melt, because if they do, I may be cooked. I mean, the thing will still hold together kinda, but we'll be cooked if they melt. So we're gonna hope and pray that doesn't do that. But the rest of the thing looks pretty good. Like, I'd say, especially from a distance, it's pretty clean. The only complaint that I have on this exhaust system, that doesn't totally fit on properly on there. So you have to cut basically like this piece off here, which I'm gonna work on that in a minute. But other than that, this thing is loud and it is mean. All right, it is now daytime in the morning. The exhaust, here's a little update. I went to AutoZone and got these things to help hold this together. These are more for like doors and they're not really as strong. But I put 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, so hopefully that'll hold it better. Let's get a nice cold start here. mt-03 with the new exhaust, the cold start with the revs.